She load from in a Netherlands. Where the grabbers think like Ali get up on. The scheme hot today, we are the weatherman.
Extra. Yeah, we're there again.
Yeah, Jam Rock.
Big. You know the thing go Yahoo! Yahoo!
Cream Boss in the building.
You know the thing
Guys,
go.
what was special announcement? It's the end time when I request something, we'll soon request, right? But guess what? Me and Weasel we work for busy work.
Yeah.
So we only get to see each other once a week. So we get to just push out video. But don't fret, we'll see no request, I will go work on it. You see me? Cause we're there for Uno. Uno has support with and we love Uno feedback and everything. So we need to push out effort for you see me? But thank you guys for all the subscribers, all the comments. We appreciate it very much. Yes?
All of the video requests them.
All of the video requests them, yeah. But guys, today we react to Alia Janelle. Somebody request this.
Somebody request it?
Yeah, it's like a Chris Brown. It's like a choreography.
Yeah.
Remember the girl with that dance?
Oh yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, you see me?
Alright,
So
then.
when I talk too long as usual, I'll just jump right into the video. Remember, smash that subscribe button there.
And like our video.
And click the bell to get notified.
Bling.
Yes. Let's begin
Now.
now.
To the mola line up now, look. Me line up myself.
Eh?
Yeah man.
That's gonna be a thing,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Cakes already. What you gonna do, boy?
Enough girl watching video just to learn for that.
Yeah.
Hardcore
Oh,
share, man.
what? I'm like our skin clean, my
Yeah.
youth.
Man, a camera chick and makeup.
My camera check. Our skin clean. Whoa. Be yourself.
Yo.
Nah, man, too much I go on yourself. Too much. Woo.
Yo, love the pushing it.
Dog.
Make your eyes sit up so yeah.
Yo. Woo.
I see her, me done buy one of them little shorts for my girl.
Want to black one, eh?
Yeah.
Can we watch some video and try to do something? Sure, no. Man, I like the black girl, them skin clean to you, dog. That's clean, dog.
Them well in sync to you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo.
I heels them a dance.
Oh, you mean so? You have to respect the girl them dancing at heels because it's not an easy thing. That girl can.
Yo.
Woo.
Russian. She look like a Russian though.
One time, go?
Yeah.
Yeah, that like the strong feature.
Oh, she put on one panty over one short.
No man, oh she?
Yeah.
Look like a tights. The tights mesh tights over the one shorts. Look like a panty though.
A panty she put over the little mesh tight.
Yeah, it's like them like them man underwear they like. Come see that Calvin Klein or something funny. So star. You realize them don't know about twerking and them stuff there?
The Tommy Shelby.
Oh, Tommy. Yo. What? Oh, my friend, you know?
Yeah, one black boy again.
Yo, we see the man, me I say, what the hell I go on there now? My friend, here, fuck.
Shoulder fair fling.
Fling. Shoulder flare. Go give me the shoulder.
Just stay one place
Oh.
and just go down.
Alright guys, that was the end of the video. But not to lie. That one year I posted give me like
The little chills.
yeah the thrills. Like
You know?
but not to lie, the first girl them bad.
First
Right.
girl them they bad, but
Bad.
the one you just go with a little thing, you know, you have to just pick up that one at a time, you know, because I thought the girl them get bad, but past the one, you know what I want.
Yo, this is crazy dog. Like that was something like this dog. I just think I crazy. You see me? But guys, that was our reaction to Annie Ashmian. Alia Janelle, Chris Brown, Up of Love, or Up of something like that. You see me?
You zip. The killy them not in a that. What was this some man go on with you know? We not in a that in a that.
No, the killing them are the bad that.
But full the thing. You see?
Dog. So guys, thank you again for watching our video.
Arigato.
We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers even more. We are get that's a bit like the basis, 1,000. I'll try to get to 1,000, but yeah, I'll try to climb the ladder go there. But we'll just put out good content for people who like it and stuff, isn't it?
And have
Anyway,
great bone structure, you know, watch it.
yeah, mother structure.
Yeah. Right now, Paul see me, them want me, you know.
Pretty yeah, Paul, link up my boy for him for one sign him to the modeling contract.
Yeah.
Alright, peace out.
Peace out.